To change the transmission fluid on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Set the parking brake. Place a drain pan underneath the transmission drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Clean the area around the fill plug. Remove the fill plug and set aside. Clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the sealing washers on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the transmission through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.